Let us solve this ratio problem. It says, in a bag, the ratio of red, blue and green balls is given to you as 3:4:5. So what I'm going to do, I will take red ball as 3 times of x, blue ball as 4 times of x, and then green ball as 5 times of x. What is x here? X is a multiplying factor. कुछ भी वैल्यू निकलेगी इसकी तो देख लेंगे. Now, if 20 balls are random, are added equally to all, so this is going to be what? 3x plus 20, 4x plus 20, and then 5x plus 20. The new ratio becomes 5:6:7. So can I say that 3x plus 20 is to 4x plus 20 is to 5x plus 20. These values are given to you as 5:6:7. So how should you simplify this problem? Take the first two, and take the first two ratios. So 3x plus 20 upon 4x plus 20. The ratio of the first two is given to you as 5:6, and this is where we will be able to find out the value x, right? Do the cross multiplication. It is going to be what? 18x plus 120, that is 20x plus 100. So 2x is coming out as 20, and the value of x here is 10. What is that we need to find out? The problem says find the original number of red balls. Red balls, original number 3x. So 3 into 10. How many original red balls are there? There are 30 such balls, isn't it? If you know the basics of ratios, this problem can very easily be managed.